Hello and welcome. Today, we're introducing the IMUsee Heavy Duty 18-inch full-size metal platform bed frame, designed for those who value both functionality and style in their bedroom furniture. With dimensions of 55.9 inches wide by 77.4 inches long and standing 18.3 inches tall, this bed frame offers a robust weight capacity of 600 pounds, ensuring sturdy support for a restful night's sleep. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the included hardware, tools, and clear instructions that guide you step by step, making setup quick and hassle-free. One of the standout features is the ample underbed storage space, with 16.5 inches of clearance, perfect for keeping your room neat and organized. The considerate design includes cushioning gaskets to ensure a noise-free experience, and with reserved holes for headboard attachment, you can easily customize it to fit your style, though the headboard itself is not included. Best of all, there's no need for a box spring, as the dependable metal slats provide optimal support for any spring, memory foam, or latex mattress. Experience the perfect blend of practicality and elegance with the IMUsee metal platform bed frame, and transform your bedroom into a serene sanctuary. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.